subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Xiaomi is all set to launch its new smartphone under Xiaomi 13 lineup, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders and key specification has surfaced online by a popular leakster Steve Hammerstoffer in partner with Zoutons, and these renders are believed to be Xiaomi 13 Pro. According to leaks, the Xiaomi 13 Pro will support a tall 6.65-inch curved display with a hole punch cutout in the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to have a triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, while on the bottom it has speaker grill, microphone, ejectable SIM slot, and a Type-C charging port. The smartphone is reported to pack with 256 or 512GB of internal storage, and it is said to measure around 163 by 74.6 by 8.8mm. The handset is also suggested to price in India at 66,800 Indian rupees, and it is expected to launch around December 30th. So as of now, that's all we know about the Xiaomi 13 Pro smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.